Hey WTI, and I have found the cutest two-piece outfit that you are going to want to bring with you on your next trip.
This gorgeous two-piece outfit is by Prettygarden, and I am absolutely in love with it. It was a must-have for a recent European trip I took because it was so incredibly comfortable. It was perfect for warmer weather, transitioning into cooler weather, but it also was unbelievably beautiful. I'm obsessed with this floral blue pattern. I think it is so pretty, and all the little details up close, the little ribbing on the sleeve and the back of the top. Of course, it's an elastic waist, which makes it extremely comfortable. I love the maxi boho style skirt. I was able to wear this with boots, with sandals. I could wear a jacket over it. I could mix and match the top and the skirt. I got it here in a size small, which I found fit true to size for me and was unbelievably comfy. I cannot say enough about that. I felt like $1,000,000 while also feeling like I was in pajamas. So that is an absolute win-win. I want one in every color. If I could only bring one outfit with me on a trip, I think this would definitely be it. It is the perfect travel option.
I'm absolutely in love with this outfit. It is my favorite thing to wear together or to wear the pieces separately. I think this is ideal for taking with you when you're traveling because right away you have several outfits in one. Check this out. I think you're going to fall in love with it too, but that's just my point of view.